Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Hulu on Apple TV using Hulu app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Apple TV. Locate the Hulu app on your home screen. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to the App Store and install the Hulu app. Once opened, the Hulu app will prompt you to log in. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign up for a Hulu subscription. After signing up, return to the Hulu app and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the Hulu homepage. To authorize your device, you may need to access your account settings. Go to the account icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. From Settings, look for the Account section. Here, you may see an option to authorize devices. Select this option to proceed. You will be given a unique authorization code. Take note of this code, as you will need it shortly. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the official Hulu website. Log in using the same credentials you used on your Apple TV. Once logged in, find the section for Manage Devices. Here, you will enter the authorization code you received from the Apple TV. Submit the code, and your device will be authorized. Return to the Hulu app on your Apple TV. The app should now recognize your account and allow access to content. Start watching your favorite shows and movies on Hulu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.